What's up, guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Ford Researches, Built to Drive Media. Today I'm going to show you how to change the mounts, the engine mounts on your S13, S14 or S15 chassis. For the removal and installation of the mounts, you'll need 2 ratchets, a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 drive. You'll need a 1/2 inch extension, a 3/8 drive extension. One will do, but I like the swivel on this one. You'll also need a 12mm 3/8 drive, a 14mm 3/8 drive, a 14mm 1/2 inch, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Again, I like to use impacts just to take off and put on, and I always tighten everything down by hand though. But these are the tools that you'll need, so let's get started, guys. Today we're going to be installing the Vennmo motor mounts on this S14. Can't wait to get this thing set. Here's the part numbers that you'll need. One's the right side, one's the left side. These are genuine Nissan parts right here with the Vennmo logo on here. I don't know how these differ from the stock mounts, but it's Vennmo, so we all know Vennmo means business. So let's get started on this, guys. One thing we got to do is get the car in the air. As always, make sure it's safely supported, and we are going to get our jack and our 4x4, which is right here. It's so dark again, I apologize, guys. But this is what we're working with. We're gonna get our 4x4 right there to support right up under the oil pan while we remove the mounts. We're gonna start with the easier mount location, which is the driver's side right here. You can see the mount, you can see the bolt. That looks like a 14mm back there and a 12mm right there. Now that we have the jack supporting the car, we're gonna go up under the car where the mount's at right there and remove the lower mount bolt, and then we'll go to the top and remove the top mount bolt. You wanna do one side at a time. Okay, so it's hard to see, but there's 4 bolts back here. I'll show you guys when I pull the mount out, but there's one above that. So there's one right there, and then there's one more above it. But let's get these mounts out because it's easier to see when the mount's out, so we're gonna go ahead and pull it right now. Okay, so these 4 bolts go to the engine. You need to remove those as well. These are 14mm right there. This one right here is gonna be a 14mm also. So there's 5 14mm bolts right there. Now here is our engine mount, which we are replacing. This was the 14 we talked about earlier, and this was the 12mm, and that's a 14 down there. So there's a total of 7 bolts you need to remove on the driver's side. One thing I want to note to you guys, these part numbers are not the same. As you can see, it does say 112, and then it switches to a 10 and a 20, and then it goes to RS 540. So that's going to be left side and right side, our driver side and passenger side. So when you pull the mounts off, make sure you look at the mount that you took off and compare the sides so you know which way and direction they go. That way you don't waste your time. Here's a comparison of the new mount compared to the old mount. You can see that there is a huge tear and the bushing down there, and then look at this. It's hard to see, but this thing is moving, and on this one I can't move it at all. On a side note, if you have an American one, this is going to be your passenger side, and the black top is going to be your driver side. Well, this is actually the bottom. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Put that shield on there. This is gonna go in first, just like this right here. If this is the driver's side, this big one on the inside, this towards the wheel. After that, we won't tighten it down. We'll go ahead and place this on here just like that. The first thing we're gonna tighten down is this mount against the motor. And then once that's tightened down, we'll go ahead and go back under the car and tighten this one down. For the passenger side, it's going to be the exact same thing as the driver side. but except we have an oil filter that's in the way, so you're gonna have to remove the oil filter, and then you should be able to get these tools inside of there and get the mount taken out. You might also have to remove this can right here, but it just pops off, so you can kind of take that and just remove it out the way, and it clips back in there, and you should be fine. This is Dylan with Diverse Forward Research. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We're also doing a giveaway that ends on my birthday. We'll be giving away 5 Amazon gift cards. So all you have to do is follow the Built to Drive Instagram page and follow HA Only page and subscribe to the channel. Again, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button below, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.